Hello, welcome back with me, Andisha Brianda, and today I want to read this article: Why I shift from pure writing to documenting instead, by Brandon Charles. A simple trick to help you generate an endless support of content. Okay, let's write this Azan here. Okay, that's Azan already done. I will to read this. After that, I will to prayer. Okay, why I shift from the pure writing to the commenting instead. Shift, shifted. Okay, make no mistake. Writing is huge draw everywhere. Online you find people a few step ahead, teaching this a few step behind. This is nature of the digital market. Waiting aside, I'm not a millionaire, and I have never earned 1k euro. Poster link. What is 10,000 pounds? Pound in a month. Apparently, it's normal on Twitter. I'm a regular guy with a regular job and regular ambition will love writing, so learning about great writer, testing hypothesis, and sharing tips comes naturally. However, 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 after 100 article, I realized that churning, churning, churning churning out cycle of content is difficult. Most things have been done, and most people are tired of repetition. This is why, as writer and creator, the most powerful shift you can make is to start documenting instead. Why you should document? The line between writer and creator are blurred. If you are writing online to an audience, you are technically creating, and that an eye-opening realization reali, realization realization realization. There are these are things writer do that creator done and vice versa, but the biggest shift of all is they involve you in their content. The biggest YouTubers give you an insight into their processes, yeah, processes. They tell you what they are going and why, and modern writer should be no exception. People want to learn from the people, giving your reader insight into your world. Humanize, humanize, humanizes, humanizes you in a world of automation, automate, slut, sludge. I saw great result when I shifted into documenting what I was doing. The writer block that left me scratching wither, wither, wither away, and I got clear on the lesson I was writing about. Your reader don't want more arbitrary advice. They want to know what you have done and why it did or didn't. didn't work, didn't work. I will give you in one sentence what took me a long time of scratching around to figure out. When it come to writing online, how to how I start documenting. Documenting content is about stepping away from reporting and turning into mediator. Your readers stand on one end. You listen and losses on the other. You are neatly slotted, slotted in the middle. Documenting content is about finding the lesson hidden about your win and failures, failureless, failures, failure, failures to create valuable articles and the people want to read. Will everything right on success? Okay, I have an idea for this moment for the creating this content. So I want to improve my reading skill with maybe some the word I hard to speak. I want to create in the paper, maybe on the laptop. If the laptop, maybe I get distract, and maybe I hard to reopen tomorrow, or when I have a free time to repeat and repeat again. So I think it's good for me have the paper, so I write, and maybe I uh I post it in on the wall, so I can to speak easily, and I think it's good. So let's try on this article. I find the paper first. Okay, I finding the pen more difficult than finding the Nemo. Okay, I got this, but yes, twin pen or the common pen. So I read about the words. Word is not comfortable to use this. I hope I can find the pen. Oh, thing. The what's the pen? Yeah. Okay, let's find again. Alright. Hello guys. Whew. Okay. I got a pen from my sister. I borrow. Then or borrow. But uh let's continue. Mm. Let's try to next work. I too lazy to scroll up what I have read. Your reader stand on hand, you listen and loses on the other, and you neatly this new pen slowly neatly let's neatly neatly. Yeah, format the format the hard word and maybe for vocabularies slot slot slotted slotted uh slotted no documenting documenting content is about finding the lessons lessons hidden within your with within within your wins and failures 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 play failures fa fa failures 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 to create valuable articles that people want to read. Will everything you write be a success? No, but when you find the ones that you open new paradigm content to cover. Every person in your niche has experienced common struggles that you have taken on and overcome, and that's not be sniffed out to sniff at those those tiny lesson that let's rank those even I know, but I usually mistake those those Thus, tiny lessons that seem trivial, 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 trivial. Do you can do you can help someone avoid the mistakes that cost your time, health, and money? My failed blogging attempt become the foundation of my best content. What mistake did I make? Why don't you need a blog? What would I do differently? I had no idea that when I close down my site, it will become cornerstone of my best content. This shift occurs, this shift occurs, 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 occurs. Oh, occurs, occurs, occurs. Of course. How to of course, course, of course, of course, of course, of course, of course. When you shift your focus from external event to the lessons you have inside, hiding between self-awareness and memory is content that make people you want to stop what they are doing and read. What common problem have you overcome? If you starting again tomorrow, what would do differently? When was the last time you let your reader know what you were working on? Ever since the day I shift from talking about to talking about listen, everything changed. People start to enjoy my breathing and better still learn from my mistake. Talking about yourself is one thing. The real magic is sharing what you learn along the way. There's an endless stream of content hidden away in the obstacle you have overcome. Determine why is valuable and explain how the author can learn from your trial and tribulation tribulation. Start with what you did, get clear what you learned, turn into the content that's helpful. Have the person one step behind you, and you won't ever go far wrong. Thanks for reading. Okay, that's all. I have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5 words. That's all. Thank you.